Hello guys, this one is my first vlog in which I will tell you about how you can apply to the German universities. So this video is basically for the students from different countries who go for their bachelor's, master's or even for the PhD, but due to lack of information regarding applying in German universities, they go for the consultancies or for the agents who take a huge amount of money from them. But I feel that's completely a wastage. That's why I'm here. I will tell you how you can apply to the German universities. So just remember there is a website called Uni-assist. So the link of the Uni-assist is already in the description. You can see it. And now we will start. So let's begin. Here on the Google, you just have to write Uni-assist login. Open a first link. Just close it. Here, as it is in German language, so you can change the language setting from here. Sprache, that is language. So click on English and then you will see a form in English. After that, you just create your account, then type your email ID. Re-enter it. Give us the password that you can easily remember. Then re-enter your password. After that, just click on the checkbox, create a new account. It's quite simple to create your new account. Then you will see that it is saying you will receive an email with an activation link. To activate your account, please click on the activation link within the next 24 hours. So you just have to go on your mail account. Then here you can see that I already got a link. Go over there, click on activation link. Okay, so now it will lead you to another window. Close the first one and you just have to sign in now with your same email ID and password. Great. So we successfully logged in. So first step is done. Now you have to fill out your personal information. It's quite simple. You don't need to write any affix or birth name. It's not compulsory for you. Okay, so here you will see the two checkbox. One is saying stateless and second one is if you are a refugee. So in that case you can just click on these checkbox. If you are not, you don't need to do that. Just click on forward button. You have to fill it out. Click on forward and it will let you on the third step. Yeah, so here you will see a first input box. If you're already having a Uni-assist applicant number, then you can just type it over here. It will add you on your form, but if you don't have, then just leave it. Then you have to just enter a few other information, that you are married to citizen of the European Union, no. In which language would you like to be contacted? So here you can select either English or German. Only these two languages are available. So just click on checkbox after that and send applicant information. And so just after this you will see a prompt again. So here you just have to confirm that from now on messages from Uni-assist will be made available to you in your inbox. So you just have to click OK, and here you can see that this is my inbox. You can go over there. So if you are having any messages that comes from Uni-assist, then you can just go over there and you can just check it out. Here my applications, so all the application that you have applied, you can see it over here. So here we saw that how we made a account on Uni-assist. So in the next video I will tell you how you can fill out all the forms related to different universities. Just remember, I am talking about German universities only, because this website is specifically for Germany. So see you on the next video. I hope it's quite useful for you. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope it will be useful for them as well. See you.